This is the easiest and tastiest stir fry you ever had. This meal is so close to my heart because it's one of my wife's favorite. I made it for her and she loved it so much. Oh my gosh. Now let's get right into it. Here are the ingredients you would need. You would need any noodles of choice, any protein of choice. Today I'm using beef strips. Some stir-fry veggies. Today I'm using frozen veggies. Garlic, spring onions, some honey for some sweetness, and you have your light soy sauce, your dark soy sauce, and your oyster sauce. Start by cutting your garlic. Marriage has made me more mindful in the kitchen. Since we got married, cooking has become more than just a daily task. It's a way for me to show my love and appreciation for her. I find joy in the process, knowing that each meal brings happiness and a sense of comfort to our home. One of the things I cherish most about marriage is the opportunity to do something thoughtful for my wife. Cooking has become a form of expression for me. It's about taking the time to pre-stir fry the veggies, and it's not just about cooking them. It's about creating a colorful and nutritious meal. The sizzle in the pan, the vibrant colors, the fresh scent all come together to create something beautiful. I love knowing that I'm providing my wife with a meal that's both delicious and healthy. As I cook, I think about the nutritional benefits of all these ingredients. The onions are rich in vitamins, the carrots add a touch of sweetness. This balance of flavors and nutrients is important to me because I want to take care of my wife's health as well as her happiness. Cooking the vegetables also allow me to appreciate the simplicity and beauty of fresh produce. There's something deeply satisfying about transforming raw ingredients into a delicious meal. It's a reminder of the natural rhythms of life and the joy of creating something with my own hands. Each slice, each stir is a way of saying I love you without words. When we first started dating, I remember how her face lit up with the first meal I cooked for her. That simple gesture of preparing a meal created a special bond between us. Now, as her husband, I feel a deep sense of joy and fulfillment in continuing this tradition. It's a way to communicate my love and appreciation through the act of cooking. This is probably the simplest sauce I've ever made. I enjoy experimenting with new recipes and techniques, always thinking about what my wife would like. It's about creating those moments where we can sit together, share a meal, and talk about our day. These simple, intimate moments are the essence of our slow living lifestyle. I've embraced the role of the cook in our home. It's a role that allows me to express my creativity and passion. I enjoy experimenting on new ingredients and recipes. And hey, let me know an idea for a recipe in the comment section down below. Remember, it's not just about the food you cook, it's about the love and care you put into it. Whether it's a simple dish or a difficult dish, the effort you make to create something special can bring immense joy to your loved ones. So take your time, enjoy the process, do some dancing in the kitchen if you like, and cherish the moment to share with those you love. Today, I marinated and cooked the beef strips before I started recording the video. This is an essential step. I love how the aromas of the soy sauce, garlic fill the kitchen. As the beef absorbs these flavors, I think about how much my wife enjoys the dish and how these small steps contribute to her enjoyment. It's a labor of love that brings us closer together. Taking the time to also pre-cook the beef allows me to slow down and appreciate the process. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to rush through meals and miss out on the joy of cooking. But when I take my time, I am reminded of the importance of mindfulness and being present in each moment. This mindfulness carries over into other aspects of our lives together. Alright, I'm gonna put the veggies. Now, one note while sauteing the stir-fry veggies, today I use frozen veggies. You don't want your veggies to be so damp coming into the stir-fry. You want to make sure that they are dry and crisp, because let me tell you, there's nothing worse than eating a stir-fry noodles and having damp vegetables in there. So today I had to saute those frozen veggies for quite some time, just so I could get it all nice and dry and crispy and tasty and ready to go. Now, cooking the noodles to perfection is crucial. I use chow mein 3-minute noodles because they have a wonderful texture that pairs well with the stir fry. Watching them cook, I imagine my wife's reaction when she tastes the finished dish. It's moments like these that make cooking so fulfilling for me. Ready for this? Sometimes the cooking process is just like marriage. It's the little things that matter the most. Taking time to do things right, to ensure everything is perfect, is a way to show love and dedication. Sitting down to enjoy the meal together is the highlight of my day. Watching my wife take her first bite and seeing her face light up with pleasure is priceless. These moments remind me why I love cooking so much. As we share the meal, we talk about our day, our dreams, and our plans for the future. These conversations are the heart of our relationship. They're made even more special by the meal we're sharing. It's a time to connect, to listen, and to support each other. Cooking and sharing meals has become a cornerstone of our slow living lifestyle. It's a way to slow down, to savor the moment, and to appreciate the simple pleasures of life. I'm grateful for the opportunity to create this moment of joy and connection with my wife. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. Cooking beef stir-fry noodles for my wife is a simple act, but it's filled with joy and meaning. I hope you found some inspiration to bring a bit of joy and slow living into your own life. Bringing everything together, the beef, the vegetables, the noodles, and the sauce is like creating a piece of art. The rich, savory sauce ties all the elements together, making every bite a delightful experience. It's the anticipation of sharing this meal with my wife that makes it all worthwhile. As I toss everything together, I think about the harmony of flavors and textures, the tenderness of the beef and the crunch of the vegetables, the chewiness of the noodles, all coated in a delicious sauce. It's a symphony of flavors that I know my wife will enjoy. This final step is a moment of reflection for me. It's a reminder of the joy of creating something from scratch and the satisfaction of seeing it all come together. It's a metaphor for our life together, where each moment, each small act of love contributes to the bigger picture of our relationship. Plating the stir-fry noodles is the final touch. I like to take a few moments to arrange everything beautifully, adding a sprinkle of fresh spring onions. It's these little details that show my wife, hey, how much I love you, how much I care for you, how much I appreciate you. A well-presented meal makes the dining experience even more special. The presentation is important to me because it shows the effort and thought that went into the meal. It's a way to elevate the ordinary to the extraordinary, turning a simple dinner into a memorable experience. When my wife sees the beautifully plated dish, I hope she feels the love and care that went into every step. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next video.